Want to turn your text into a voiceover using CapCut? Here's how. First, open CapCut on your PC and click Create Project. Once you're in the editor, click Text on the top toolbar and select Default Text to add a text box. Type your script into the text box, such as Welcome to my video. Next, select the text clip on the timeline. Right-click it and select Text-to-Speech from the text settings. Choose the voice you want to use.
Welcome to my video.
Welcome to my video.
Once selected, click Generate Speech. Now wait for CapCut to generate the voiceover. Once it's finished, the audio will appear below the text layer on your timeline. Click Play to preview the generated voice and make sure it sounds the way you want.
Welcome to my video.
Finally, adjust the text or audio clip on the timeline to control when the voiceover
Welcome
starts.
to my video.
And that's it. You created a voiceover from text using CapCut. You can now add this to your other projects or other timeline that you will create. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.